Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If I join us for the first time, welcome. My name is Okwe. So today I have this Fulani look for you guys. I love this look, and by the way, my model is so damn cute. I started off a makeup by priming her face. I really wanted the mattifying look because we're going outside to shoot. I'm going to insert pictures of the final looks at the end. So we went outside to shoot, so I really wanted the makeup to last all day. So
yeah, yeah. Where to a tree I gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So, Lord, we honor your presence, yeah. Where to a tree I gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So, Lord, we honor your presence. Kashinan, Kamanan, Sirkin Aljana, Yananan. Kashinan, Kamanan, Yananan. Oh, Kashinan, Kamanan, Sirkin Aljana, Yananan. Kashinan, Kamanan, Yananan. A tree I got that, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord, we honor your presence, yeah, yeah. Where to a tree I got that, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord, we honor your presence. Oh, gosh, Gamanan, Sirkin Aljana, yeah. Kashinan, Kamanan, Yananan, no.
So for our eyes, I made a huge mistake at the first time, and I inserted it because I wanted you guys to see. So when I started to make eyeshadow, I started with the lid first, and I went a bit too eyeshadow happy, and yeah, it was everywhere. You'd see the frustration on my face. I was so frustrated because it was just not looking right. I don't know why. I think I put too much blue the first instance, so blending it upward was just higgy haga. So I wiped it out. Guys, wiping out something like this when you don't skin work is a risk. Anyways, I did it. I put foundation back. It was not looking right. As you can see, I was almost crying. But then yeah, we moved along and it came through. So I started with a transition at the second time, and I felt like the transition gave me, like, I was able to control the blue, so it didn't just go out of reach. It might not look like proper right now, but then it made sense at the end. I'm really drenching our skin in setting spray. Well, not setting spray, hydrating spray, because I put a lot of powder when I was trying to catch fallout. So this is called tag lining. I use it mostly on light skin models or clients because it helps cover the light skin part of their lid. I don't know how to explain it. It just makes their lid look better. Yeah, especially towards the lash line. Yeah, so yeah, I'm smoking out the under eye because I want, and then I used a bottom lashes. See how the eyeshadow just suddenly looks good. It doesn't look higgy haga anymore. That's why most times when I'm doing looks like this, some looks, I try not to force when it's not looking right. I just keep on moving. As mean I stopped with it and I just kept on. Obviously it can be better, so guys, obviously if I'm going to do this kind of look again, it's definitely going to be better. But yeah, you get my drift. Just don't just sit down one place and be blending. Just move on. Put some lashes, finish the skin work, and see how it looks. So for the lips, I'm using three colors: a dark brown, orange and a lighter orange. So I'm lining with the dark brown, and then I'll use the dark orange on the upper lip and then the lighter orange on the lower lip. Anyways guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. I'm obsessed with this look. So the name of the hairstylist and the henna artist will be in the description box. I just showed them a picture and they brought my dream to life. This is us just dressing her up. I love this look. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please subscribe, click the bell and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys for always sticking up with me. What am I saying? You guys get my point. Anyways, kisses. Bye.
Yeah. Just love like fire that you can't extinguish. It's a standard just like Tom and the Greenwich. Never had much money, but with love I've been rich. I mean which other thing provides a solution to all this chaos, to man's pollution. Love so clear like high resolution. If we evolve, then it's man's evolution. He loved me, knowing this of me, I'm guilty. Save me, how he forgave me, so filthy. And he loves me the way that I am. I can do what he planned, if he say that I can. Yo, but the flip side is the most beautiful. He loves you too at your most inexcusable. So when you're sure that Jesus don't care, just turn around, cause he's standing right there. Yeah.